Hello folks, today I'm really excited to unbox and do a quick review of this awesome new keyboard. This is the IQUNIX ZX75 Dark Side. It's a 75% layout mechanical keyboard. It's really well put together, it feels solid, and I love the dark semi-transparent style casing, which is nicely complemented by the cherry profile double shot black PBT keycaps. And if you want to adjust the typing angle, it comes with these nifty magnetic feet. You also get this nice little cleaning brush and a keycap and switch puller. The ZX75 comes pre-lubed with Costa stabilizers and has sound dampening foam. You can choose between Cherry MX and TTC switches. I have the TTC Ace linear switches. Here's a quick sound test. And of course it has awesome RGB lighting with south-facing LEDs.